This is the CV Compatibility Validation Lab,
the Product Development Lab,
the Tester Debug Lab, the System Validation Lab.
We are standing in one of the clean rooms in the Ronald Acres campus in Hillsboro, Oregon.
Well, it was only about 2 years ago when we were first introducing 45 nanometer products, and here we are 2 years later, pretty much on time, on schedule with 32 nanometer technology and 32 nanometer production.
Intel's hyper-threading technology enables higher processing throughput on multi-threaded software. Turbo Boost technology automatically allows processor cores to run faster. And the high-K metal gate, which reduces current leakage in transistors, has been vastly improved in Westmere.
We get better performance in our chips, we get lower power out of our chips, we get smaller die size out of our chips, we get the ability to add more transistors than we ever could, and those transistors go into getting more performance to the user, more features to the user, more integration to the user, such as integrating graphics onto our chips, onto our CPU products.
Graphics cards have variation. The slots in your motherboard have variation. The design of a motherboard as it connects to the slot to where the graphics card is positioned. The power delivery on the motherboard can be a little different. The power delivery on every graphics card can be different. Since we now have them together on the same package, we can guarantee and tune every single one for the best possible performance.
The bulk of the manufacturing challenge of this product was figuring out how to pair up the two die, put it on a single package, and run it in a platform, and to really create all of the testing capability for two die that reside on one package.
What you see here is a graphical representation of the test program that we develop here. It's about 2 million lines of code. It has about 50,000 tests that test every aspect of the CPU, from its features, its performance, its power, its functionality. And right now it has finally determined what the SKU for the part is going to be, and it has sent a signal to the handler, which is now moving to socket the next part.
We have rigorous testing software that's actually hammered the processor almost 24 hours, 7 days a week.
This dark area tells us that that transistor is one of the slow ones, one of the ones that we need to fix and improve on the next time we make a new piece of silicon. If we can fix those 1 or 2 transistors, then the whole part speeds up and gets faster. We can then give more performance to our customers.
In the case here in the background, you see one of the most popular games running. And we run these as an example of Steam performance that's utilizing our new features like encryption, our turbo features, and make sure that the customer is actually getting the most benefit out of those features that's intended.
This is the Wall of Fame, which basically it's a wall which we recently started, which shows all the products which this team has delivered over many years. And the latest one, which is going to be coming out, is going to be the Westmere 2-core and the 6-core products, which are the 32 nanometer products which this team delivered.
Stay online for just a little bit, please. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay.
From my perspective, I always remind myself I wouldn't be able to bring these products, without the teams, whose dedication and passion is helping us, and hard work is helping us to get them out in the market on time. So.
I think we're there with the new CPU. Not only watching TV, but also transforming content from, let's say, a high def source, or from streaming from the net, or watching a Blu-ray. You will not be able to notice the difference between a TV or one of the LCD TVs and this new computer. It'll be everything that you ever wanted in a home entertainment system. So you'll just love it.
This is actually what the consumer would be seeing. This is what they're going to purchase, is something like this. And the thing that we can look over here, you can see that, for example, the quality of the integrated graphics of the Westmere. This is a huge step up from previous generations. We've really made some strides. And you can see, just look at the HD video that's playing here. This is something that would be a mainstream system for somebody's home.
This is our 6-core server product, just huge computing power, just absolutely phenomenal.